It's Friday and I've just come down for an hour after work and it is absolutely hammering it down. So I'm in the tunnel and I'm going to get a few jobs done. I really need to sort out the layout. I'm really annoyed with it. So let's have a go and sort that out. So join me along with my plans for the day. So it's a wet old day out there today. Horns of rain. So I'm just going to try and sort out my polytunnel entrance as it's very waterlogged. So I've got these slabs and some more outside, and I'm going to just make a little slabbed area here and improve the entrance, and also we'll keep the weeds down too. This is my job for today while it's raining outside. So let's go. So I've cleared this area now, made it a little bit level, and now I've added a old compost bag as a liner. I can't find nothing on the plot, so make use of what we've got. And now hopefully 4 slabs will fit into this gap here. I'm hoping. I might have to remove this wooden bar here, but I'm hoping that will fit. So let's give it a go. So here we have our path. Didn't take too long, maybe took an hour. It's not too level, not too bad. Doesn't quite reach up with these tiles here. And I'm going to put some gravel, maybe something along the wood there, the wood side, just to make it level. Not a bad job done. The rain has stopped too. My next job on the list is going to make a little border for the grape, and I think I'm going to put these 2 lavenders here, because lavenders tend to, well, they're supposed to warn off rodents. So my theory is if they're by the door, they won't come in the door. That's very unlikely, but it's a good theory. So let's get this boarded off. First, it's time for a cup of tea. Good job done. So here's my border. Just a little flower bed inside the beginning of the tunnel, and I've painted it with the golden chestnut from Wilko's. That was £2 in this Wilko sale. So I've painted that, give it another coat a bit later. The rain started again now. I've just found this old scaffolding plot on the right, and as you can see the paths go down there. They get to the frame and then they bear left a bit. So I've just put a new frame in, marked it 2 feet along the edge of each pole. So if I had to take out the bedwood down the end. So this has got a nice thick border, and it now matches the other side this side. So now I'm going to take out all these slabs and just move them over, and that should give me an extra 3 inches in the middle plot here. And if I clear the side on this side, which is all covered at the moment, it should give me another 3 inches. So it should have 6 more inches in the middle. So as you can see, with 2 tiles moved already, there's already a gap, a couple of inches, 3 inches gained on my bed. So I'll keep going, a few more to go. The tiles are all in place now. Gained a bit more on the bed. Put up a new scaffolding board on the edge, and even down on the second bit, a new scaffolding board. So it's kind of in a straight line. Good enough. So I just need to build up the soil at the end now. But I've got a new whole bed that I never even used last time, because this is where a table was, and scrapping that idea this time. I'm going to make more use of the polytunnel. So another quick update, I've cleared this area here and now this is my patio for the chair and my water butt is next door, and I've dug up this oak tree. Look at the roots. So I'll plant this. We're not allowed trees on our plot, although we have. So I'm going to plant this out the back and let it grow. But this was in the middle of my new patio. So let's put the chair there next door, and the chair's in place, and the water butt is next door, so I can fill up the water, have a seat and watch the rest of it grow. So I'm really pleased with that. And down the side, a new border all the way down, so really pleased. My next attempt is to sort out this side, but this green monster of a plant has taken over, and now the chilies are dying down the end, so they need to come up. So that's another job, and I will sort that bed out. But we have got all this bed now sorted, a nice long bed, which is really good. I sat looking at it and thinking, oh, looks good, but now I think I should do the other side. Although not got a lot of time, but I really want to get it done, because it'll be another tick off the list. So let's show you what I've done so far. Green monster up so I can give a bit of space. Now I've started moving the slabs so they're all a bit level again. So I'm gaining an extra 3 inches again, and then hopefully it should all line up good without the gap on the left instead of the right. So we'll be really pleased when this is done. So we need 4 more tiles to move and then it's done. So here we have a nice wide bed, and paths that actually match all the way down now. So really pleased about this. It's taken a good, 3 hours, but I'm really pleased. Really pleased. And the rain stopped too. So I've just broke up this garlic bulb into cloves, and now I'm going to plant it in the ground. I've actually done these 5 inches apart. So thinking I'm going to waste space with 2 lines, I've added in another line in the middle. So that's the end of the day. Just show you where I put my other garlic. Now I've stuck 2 rows in here. Left side pink Germador and the right side Dario. Thank you very much. frame is getting on, getting grey, so time to go. So pleasing to see a job done, and I'm really happy with that, really pleased. Just need to sort out this muddy bit next, and put something here, but really pleased. Thanks for watching. Any of you not subscribed, subscribe, and ring the bell, and then you'll get notifications when I post some more. So all in all, good couple of hours down the plot in the rain, but I do love the polytunnel. Such a great move. So thank you very much. This looks a good idea. Those strawberries, very clever. Good use of recycling, making use of space. Very good.